Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the WWE 2K25 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings to suit your playstyle. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, scroll all the way to the right until you are in the extras menu. Then just click on it, and from this page, go into input settings. You can now see the input settings for both your controller as well as your keyboard. While you are not able to make any changes to your controller layout, you can go to the next page and then choose the keyboard setting. Now, within this page, just press enter once you highlight your desired option, and then press your desired key as mentioned within the screen. After pressing your desired button, it will have been set within your chosen control parameter. You can do this with all of your desired buttons and set all of your desired keys based on your preference. Once you are done, you can go back by pressing the escape button or by pressing the B button on your joystick. And now, the input options that you have chosen will be applied to your game right away. You can now start your desired game mode and then play with your chosen controls. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings within the WWE 2K25 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.